Chicago's very own WGN Evening News at 6.
Closing arguments have wrapped up in the Kyle Rittenhouse trial as prosecutors and defense attorneys debate whether the Illinois teen acted in self-defense when he shot and killed 2 people and wounded a 3rd.
WGN's Julian Cruz joins us live from Kenosha now with the very latest. Julian?
Well, Ray, we're just learning that the judge sending the jurors home. They will begin deliberations tomorrow. The stakes awful high for 18-year-old Kyle Rittenhouse. A misdemeanor gun charge dropped early this morning, but he faces 5 felony charges, and if he is found guilty on the most serious of those charges, potentially Rittenhouse could be looking at life in prison.
Ladies and gentlemen, this has been a rush to judgment.
We all know this case comes down to self-defense. But there's a high bar for using deadly force in a self-defense situation.
Lawyers for both sides after a grueling 2-week trial delivering closing arguments.
But Mr. Binger will use this video to lie to your faces and tell you that Kyle Rittenhouse was taking advantage of the situation.
I object, Your Honor. I think we can also agree that we shouldn't have 17-year-olds running around our streets with AR-15s, because this is exactly what happens.
The closely watched double homicide trial of Kyle Rittenhouse to be decided by 12 jurors moving into its final phase.
So at this point, the crowd is dealing with what they perceive to be an active shooter.
Lead prosecutor Thomas Binger pointing to the image of Kyle Rittenhouse after he's mortally wounded an unarmed Joseph Rosenbaum.
He still has the gun. He's shot someone. This is provocation to them.
The Kenosha County jurors listening carefully because among the mountain of evidence they'll soon consider is that you can't claim self-defense in Wisconsin according to state statutes if you provoke an attack.
There is common ground here. We have all agreed, and I asked you this 2 weeks ago today. Raise your hand if you agree life is more important than property, and all of you raised your hand.
There was nothing reckless about my client's conduct that day.
Lawyers representing Rittenhouse getting their opportunity to argue self-defense.
This case is not a game. It is my client's life. We don't play fast and loose with the facts, pretending that Mr. Rosenbaum was Citizen A #1 guy.
The closing statements coming after unexpected developments earlier in the day.
Is the firearm here now?
One of the 6 criminal counts against Rittenhouse dropped abruptly today in Kenosha County Circuit Court after reconsideration of the barrel length of the rifle used by Rittenhouse to kill 2 people. The judge this morning dismissing the misdemeanor count.
If the barrel length is less than 60 inches or an overall length less than 26 inches, then I'll deny the motion. If it does not meet those specifications, then this defense motion will be granted.
Now, Judge Schroeder reminding his jurors not to talk about this case, sending them home. They will reassemble tomorrow at 9 a.m. and begin the process of what promises to be a challenging deliberation. At the Kenosha County Circuit Courthouse, Julian